In the 18th chapter of the Gospel according to St. Matthew, Jesus gives us the teaching that he who would humble himself as this little child will be the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. When we humble ourselves on earth, we are raised before God. And throughout the writings of the Church Fathers, we read again and again that humility is absolutely essential, absolutely vital for our salvation. We must take this teaching absolutely seriously. Of course, Christ came to both teach and to demonstrate to us exactly what true humility looks like. When we look at the way Christ lived, his whole demeanour, everything about him is filled with humility. In fact, Elder Ephraim of Mount Athos and Arizona says to us that if Christ were not humble, he would not be God.